What's up guys, Ninja on a Ninja. I'm feeling a little bit upbeat today, so I decided to go ahead and post this video. I got a script to read off of, so I'm going to read that, but I'm going to add on to it like I normally do, but this time I'm going to actually upload it. I have a bunch of videos on my computer, both my computers, that I don't upload because I'm just never ready for it. So, but in this one, I'm basically watching a video, Jordan Peterson, IQ and the job market. And basically, I've been talking about IQ for a while, through comments and such. I never really posted about it because, again, it's the Dunning-Kruger effect where I know what is involved, so I'm overwhelmed by it because I actually know what is involved. I don't think I know, I actually know. So there's people that think they know, and then they're really confident because they think they know what they have no idea. And then there's people that have no, or they know, and because they know that they don't know all of it, so they feel like insecure about it. So that's basically why I don't post a lot of videos. But in this case, I think I have enough information about it to actually talk about it now, so I'm going to go ahead and talk about it. And again, I was watching the Jordan Peterson IQ and the job market video. So I'm going to read what I wrote, and again, I'm going to add whatever it is that I add to it as I read it. So IQ is bullshit. It doesn't actually mean anything. It doesn't test your intelligence. It is a lot like what they claim to be AI. There is no intelligence in what people call AI. All IQ does is evaluate you as a slab of meat for consumption based on what they need you to do to feed. It takes what you have conformed with and how overruled you are by it. Understanding the law doesn't make you intelligent. Being a doctor and understanding the body and sickness doesn't make you intelligent. In both of those aspects, all it does is tells you how educated you are. Education is not intelligence. Intelligence is the ability to dive into something no one knows anything about and to figure it out. This is why kids are able to figure out VCRs and iPads and whatever, whereas adults cannot. Kids are far more intelligent than adults, but only because we are. Sorry, there's some lady yelling right now. God damn it. Alright, so intelligence is the ability to dive into something no one knows about. No, intelligence is the ability to dive into something no one knows anything about and to figure it out. This is why kids are able to figure out VCRs, iPads, and anything that goes along with that, whereas adults cannot. Kids are far more intelligent than adults, but only because we kill off intelligence in adults in the name of education. The mistake we made was saying that education was the same as intelligence when it isn't. Another example of this is the argument that time travel might be possible, which is bullshit. It is bullshit because time is not real, but yet we have a huge fan base in science field running around it acting like it is. The dude named Kaku, to me, is a dumbass because he argues like time is a thing when it isn't. He's saying that there's ways for time travel to exist when there's no such thing as time. So I see him as a dumbass, even though he's one of the top. You know, he's a very well recognized, well known figurehead. People respect him. I don't. I see him as a joke because it's all bullshit. So, now to go and touch up on it, basically, IQ is not intelligence quiz or whatever they want to call it, intelligent core, blah blah blah. There's no intelligence basically in IQ. Again, it's just your confirmation, your conformity basically. Um, you learn math. How good are you at math? That's what it's testing. How you learn math. Now, how good are you at math? It's not, it has nothing to do with intelligence, like I said. And understanding law doesn't make you intelligent. Understanding the body and sickness as a doctor doesn't make you intelligent. What does make you intelligent, however, is what I brought up as an example. Is let's play a video game, Super Mario for the very first console game that a lot of people had in America, Super Mario Bros. For the Nintendo Entertainment System. If you give a child the remote control and you have him play this game without having any information prior, it's all set up. You start it up, give them the remote, game set up, and you know Mario's on the screen. You're ready to go. Kid knowing nothing, right? If he's intelligent, he will figure it out and he will play the game and figure it out. He has no information, nothing to base anything off of. He just goes and he does it. That's intelligence, right? Whereas you can have a kid who reads like push right on the pad to move right, right? That's education, or that's programming, which is what AI is. It's programming. It's a form of education. Push right to go right. So the kid pushes right. Okay, cool. And he runs into a tube and he's like, okay, what the fuck do I do now? And it's like push A to jump over the first tube. This is again education, not intelligence. Intelligence is a kid who's just like, oh, this makes me jump. Oh, I can move around with these. Okay, what does this button do? Pauses the game. Oh, I can't do anything. Crap, fuck, shit, I broke it. I can't do anything. And he pushes the button again and unpauses it. That's intelligence. That's intelligence. That's what you want to test. But again, IQ tests don't do shit with that. Robots don't do shit with that. AI does not do shit with that because it's nothing to do with intelligence. So I feel, yeah, that that's a problem in the world right now. People think they have way too much emphasis on IQ or AI when again there's nothing about it that's intelligent, basically. And again, being educated doesn't mean you're intelligent. Intelligence is the ability to create something from nothing, to be able to program yourself in a field where there's nothing there. And people give me this example of a robot that uses what's it called? Um, what the hell is it called? I forget the term that they have for it. It's basically like a process of elimination where like it'll do something and it'll like say Super Mario Bros. Again, it'll run to the right, it'll die, right? And then it restarts, it'll run to the right and it'll die. So next time it runs to the right and it'll try to avoid whatever it is that killed it. Basically, it's a process of elimination, right? That's not intelligence. That's just a program that you can write, and it's like a method to program something to do well. And that's what a lot of AI is. It's a program that is written with code to have it do a certain thing until it completes a predetermined task. And again, predetermined is not intelligence. That's just education, which is why I'm saying understanding law doesn't make you intelligent. It's just an education. It's a program. There's a limited amount of thing. An intelligent lawyer will change the law basically, or he'll see a flaw in the law and he'll create something more out of it. This is what our forefathers used to do back in the day. This is what I do now. This is what a lot of our world doesn't do. And again, people get brainwashed by education and they lose their aspect of intelligence. So I think that's a major problem in America right now. And look at the video Pink Floyd Brick on the Wall basically. That's basically what's going on. But those kids are like they wear something else and they come out as just slabs of meat and then they get thrown into a grinder and they come out as meat basically in the video. It's a perfect representation of what's going on. So there you go. IQ's bullshit. AI is bullshit. It has nothing to do with intelligence. And I understand IQ. And if you want to test someone on their capability of math, then sure, you can use this to test math. But to say that it tells you how smart a person is, that's stupid. It's the same for a robot. If you want to say a robot is thinking and self-thinking because it's operating off of programs that you wrote for it, you're an idiot, basically. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Take it real, keep it easy. Let me know what you think. If you don't like it, too bad. But give me arguments, because I doubt you're gonna have any. I can't think of anything to counter my argument. This is fact. This is what it is. You know, if I went left, if I turn left and I go left, that's a fact. I went left. There's no way to argue with that, and that's what my logical evaluation of things is. So, yeah, there you go. Let me know what you think. I need some input here. Take it real, keep it easy. Have a good one, and peace. Oh, and before I go, I do this to cover my eye. Disabled. I got a problem with this eye, so it helps me be able to read, help me be able to focus, and keeps you focused on me and not my eye. So, peace.